concern over the wind conditions in Southern California over the next couple of days. And I'm here with meteorologist Brandon Lawson. And Brandon, the National Weather Service has issued a rare wind warning about this.
Yeah, so the red flag warnings, we've been seeing those, right? The fire weather warnings, but they're now calling these fire weather warnings particularly dangerous situation warnings, which we've seen from tornado watches all the time.
Yeah, you
deep
can see
south.
fire-nados in there.
Right, so like when you have tornado outbreaks like in the deep south, you'll see PDS tornado watches, which are particularly dangerous situation tornado watches. But whenever you have PDS fire watch warnings issued, that means that there's extreme
hurricane wind force type of winds that are going to be blowing through there.
Exactly. You've got extreme winds, and you also have extremely dry air, and that's the only time you see these PDS fire weather warnings issued. So we'll go ahead and dive into it a little bit. I want to get you a live look from Malibu, California. You can see some of the destruction that's been done there. That was actually from the Franklin fire last week, causing all of that damage. And again, this is a fire that is 100% contained. However, there are other fires that aren't contained right now, including the Eaton fire and also the Palisades fire. Those are the biggest fires right now that continue to burn. Here's a look at all the fire weather warnings right now across Southern California. Now, again, you've probably heard as them referred to as red flag warnings, but fire weather warnings is just kind of an easier way to describe these. But here's the thing, over towards Ventura County and also Los Angeles counties, we've got areas within those counties that are under particularly dangerous situation fire weather warnings, which means there's an extreme risk for fire weather conditions. As Brian was mentioning, those damaging wind gusts, possibly hurricane force winds, and extremely dry air. So again, whenever there is extreme risk for fire weather conditions, the National Weather Service will issue the particularly dangerous situation red flag warnings or fire weather warnings. So here's a look at the active fires right now. The Eaton fire and the Palisades fire are the two that are popping up on the screen here. They're the biggest ones. The Eaton fire, 14,000 acres is how much the Eaton fire has burned so far. And here's the thing that's concerning. It's only contained 33% right now, and the Palisades fire is only contained 14%, and it has already burned over 23,000 acres. And again, those fires are continuing to burn here this afternoon. Now, I want you to look at the wind gusts here. Los Angeles, only 7-mile-per-hour gusts right now, 10-mile-per-hour gusts in Pasadena. These aren't the strongest winds we're tracking. It's up along the mountains here, so you're getting into the San Fernando Valley. 37-mile-per-hour gusts there, 35-mile-per-hour gusts in Oak Park towards Ventura County. Those are the strong winds that will be coming off the mountains. So the National Weather Service is forecasting 45 to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts in those particularly dangerous situation locations tomorrow, including 8 to 15% relative humidity, which is extremely dry air. And that particularly dangerous situation fire weather warning goes from 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow till noon Wednesday, which is when we'll have the most dangerous conditions. Dry air, dry soil, those Santa Ana winds are going to be coming off the mountain, Brian. That dry air is going to just continue to dry out even more. Anytime you have sinking winds off the mountains, you're drying out the air and warming it up. And that is going to lead to that continued fire danger through the middle of the week. So definitely think about those folks in Southern California.
Yeah, and they have been through so much already, and it will continue this week, unfortunately. Brandon, thanks.